high school, we had this idea of starting not a home cleaning company. At that time, it was commercial cleaning. And I was like, okay, I can do this for a little bit, make some money, start a video business, make more money, and then, just keep growing and be a huge success. And I'm actually, weirdly enough, still in cleaning, commercial cleaning. We're back into it again. So I'm 34 years old. That's 16 years ago we actually started that. Life just keeps taking me around the same thing, bringing it back to the cleaning. And what I'm learning now is it's about having other people show up, do the work for you. How can you train them the best possible so that way they can perform with amazing detail? And that's really how we make money, is by having other people kind of do the work for us.
Yeah, leveraging other people, that's for sure. One of the things that I know is that every business can be lucrative in the right hands. I have one of my gentlemen that we're building 132 units for, that he owns a cleaning company as well. And he's done that same thing. He's taught other people how to do the daily so that he can multiply his hands. And instead of doing the work of one man, he can do the work of 75 individuals in his cleaning company. And what that's allowed him to do is to focus on the things that he cares about, which obviously with 4 kids, air hockey, and a disco ball, there's some other things that you care about, Caleb.